Hello, everybody. I am sick with a fever. I've been sick for like 3 days. I just finished a stream just for funsies. I took a hot shower, which is funny because I have a fever, but I firmly believe in sweating a fever out, which is why I took a hot shower. I normally would take a cold shower, but I'm scared I will go into shock. No, I'm just kidding. But it's been over a week since I practiced this. I know I'm sick, so it's gonna sound real bad, but I was singing in the shower off of memory, and I feel like I totally got the notes this time for sure. For sure! For sure, with so much confidence. So here we go. I also don't have my glasses on, so I hope I remember the lyrics. Okay, here we go before I go to bed. Sail on, silver girl. Sail on by. Your time has come to shine. All your dreams are on their way. See how they shine. Oh, if you need a friend, I'm sailing right behind. Whoa, like a bridge. Oh, troubled water. I will lay me down, lay me down, lay me down, lay me down, lay me down. Lay me down. Oh, lay me down. You know what? For being sick and coughing all day, and you can check my stream from today for proof, that was not that bad. That was I obviously can't hit that B5 because my throat is very sore. Thank you for watching. Attempt number 3 on this channel. One day I will get that B5 consistently. Bye!